Ready to take the leap into homeownership but not sure where to start with your mortgage application? It's a huge step, and navigating the mortgage process can feel overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with a major financial institution like Regions Bank. You want to make sure you get it right, that you have all your ducks in a row, and that the process is as smooth as possible. Well, you're in the right place. We're breaking down the simple, step-by-step guide to applying for a mortgage with Regions Bank, ensuring you feel confident and prepared from start to finish. The Regions mortgage process can generally be summarized into 5 key steps: application, initial approval, appraisal, approved for closing, and ready for closing. It all begins with step 1, the application. Your first move is connecting with a Regions mortgage loan officer. You can find one online, apply directly on the Regions website, or even visit a local branch. Your loan officer is your guide. They'll help you select the right loan product for your needs, like a fixed rate or an affordable 97 mortgage, and assist in completing the application. This is where you'll gather crucial documentation, think W-2s, pay stubs, tax returns, and information on your assets and debts. The more prepared you are here, the faster the process moves. Once submitted, you move to step 2, initial approval. The Regions underwriting team reviews your application and documents to make a preliminary credit decision. If approved, your loan processor will reach out with a list of conditions, essentially, any final documents or actions needed before a final sign-off. Next up is step 3, appraisal. Regions will coordinate a property appraisal to determine the home's estimated value. This is a critical step to ensure the loan amount is appropriate for the property. Once the appraisal is accepted, you will receive a copy for your records. With conditions met and the property valued, we hit step 4, approved for closing. Your file goes back to underwriting for a final review. Once they give the thumbs up, final approval, the loan closer prepares the closing documents and wires the loan funds to the closing agent. Finally, you reach step 5, ready for closing. Your mortgage loan officer will review the final numbers and disclosures with you to answer any lingering questions. The closing agent will confirm the final funds you need to bring to the table, schedule the closing, and then it's official. You sign the final documents and become a homeowner. Regions also provides a great tool called Loan Access Way. Once you have a loan number, you can use this portal to track the real-time status of your application, receive alerts, and easily upload any requested documents. Utilizing this tool is a massive help in staying on top of the process. Applying for a mortgage is a journey, but by understanding these 5 steps, you're well equipped to navigate the process with Regions Bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.